Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX310 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MX310 support, and then go ahead and search for that. One of the best matches should say Canon support for PIXMA MX310. Go ahead and open that up. Now that we're on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. Scrolling down again underneath the third section here, you want to locate an item in here that says My Printer. Select the download button that corresponds to that file name. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher. As you can see, it says Canon Inc. Select Yes, and now you can close out of the web browser. Select Next on this welcome prompt and select your region as well as country, and then Next again. You want to accept the end user license agreement, and if you choose to change the destination installation path, you can do that, but you really don't have to. Most people wouldn't anyway. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and create a shortcut on the desktop if you'd like. Select Complete, and then you should be able to see all the different settings you can modify on the Canon My Printer application. If you're having an issue connecting to your printer, you can select Diagnose and Repair Printer, and then walks through the on-screen prompts in order to hopefully resolve any connectivity issues you may experience. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.